Hello everybody, just wanted to do a quick tutorial on the MoFi 4500. This one happens to be programmed to Visible, and we're using that SIM card that you see hanging out the side. I'm going to take that out here in just a second, but there's also two CAT cables connected since I run an OB phone system, and in addition to that I run a smart hub and I've got some cameras running as well. So let me show you how this works. We're using that SIM card. The internet light is on. That's that second one in from the power light. So we are hooked up. Certainly looks like we're hooked up, and you guys can change the name of this once you get your router. Don't do a factory reset on it because you'll lose some speed settings. But anyway, so we're going to do a quick test to see what the bandwidth is, and there we go. I don't know why there was so much latency to get that to run, but anyway, we're running 17-ish. Remember, the speed limit for Visible is 5, so we've tripled that, and then your upload speeds at 5. And these results are going to vary based on your length, your distance from the tower. It's also going to have differences based off of tower congestion, all sorts of things. This happens to be a $30 program that I'm running on, and we'll leave it at that. Now the second thing we're going to do is hook this up to the cell phone, and this is not a one-handed operation, so hold on a second. There we go. I had a tripod set up, but that didn't work. So now this cable that comes out of the front of the Visible looped through there, and it's actually running the cell phone. I am going to log in. So it charges automatically, but you do have to go to your settings. Let me get this to settings. And we are going to turn on the USB mobile hotspot and tethering. Turn this on. Somebody asked me a question if this will work with iPhones. I have a newer, the V3 version of the 4500, and it may actually work. So what we're doing now is we're using USB tethering, and we're using the actual SIM card itself. So we're doing what they call load balancing. We're going to do another speed test using both, and let's see what happens. Seems like the latency kicked off. Really hasn't changed it. Actually, it's gone down a little bit, and that can happen, I guess. It just, every speed test is different. It looks like we did 12 on that one, and on the upload, pushing 5s again. This next speed test that we're going to do, I'm actually going to take the SIM card completely out of the machine, and we're going to run it off the phone by itself. This may be something helpful for somebody that is on the road quite a bit. And let me make sure I take, well, it's definitely pulled out of the system there. The SIM card's sticking halfway out of there. We're going to do another test, and let's see what happens using just the phone itself. This may be for some people too. Price is everything, right? I mean, so in some cases, your telephone can be used at work, make phone calls, do whatever you want, and then when you come home, you can hook your cell phone into this, and like I said, that by itself, which is kind of odd, is running into the 50s, so got some really good bandwidth there. And it depends upon what band this kicks into. This happens to be a Note 5 Ultra, and it has band 66. And we do get band 66. This is a small rural town, so there's your speed results again. So I want to keep this short, keep it under 4 minutes. Thank you.